is the most valuable asset in the world? Let me give you a hint. It's not gold and it's not oil. In fact, it's an idea. From the blueprints of the world's most advanced microchips to hidden code behind your favorite AI agent, intellectual property is the silent engine of global economy, which is also the new front line of global tech wars. Why are we celebrating it? So to understand, let us look back to 1970. The WIPO Convention officially entered into force, establishing the World Intellectual Property Organization. Now fast forward to the year 2000 and the WIPO member states decide to turn this anniversary into a global event to show how IP actually fuels human progress. But history is full of people who learn the value of IP the hard way. Let's take a case of Catherine Hettinger. In the 90s, she invented a small spinning toy to entertain her daughter. She held the patent for 8 years, but in 2005, she could not afford a $400 renewal fee. She let the patent lapse. Now fast forward to 2017, the fidget spinner became a global multi-billion-dollar craze. Even every store on the planet was selling them. But because Catherine did not have that legal shield anymore, she did not see a single cent of profit. A $400 oversight cost her a life-changing fortune. Now this brings us to the present day. In the world of tech and cybersecurity, IP is not just about a toy, it's about survival. In semiconductors, IP blocks are the DNA of every chip. Protecting those designs is now a matter of national security and economic dominance. When we talk about AI, as agents become more autonomous, the question of who owns a machine-generated innovation is causing a massive legal shift. When we talk about the field of cybersecurity, the thing is that your company's most sensitive IP, its trade secrets, it is the primary target of state-sponsored digital espionage. Without the legal shield of patents, trademarks, and copyrights, the incentive to invest billions in R&D would vanish overnight. As we mark World IP Day, we aren't just celebrating laws, we're celebrating the courage of creators to think something new and the systems that ensure that their dreams aren't stolen from anybody. Keep watching the mainstream for more news and updates. This is Arusha Mishra.